for a boat. I bought it on Amazon. It's probably made in China. Actually, it is. It says made in China right on the box. It's kind of confusing, and of course it didn't come with any type of directions or nothing. So anyhow, you slide the steering cable through the steering mechanism through the back of the transom. I'm sorry, the back of the helm here, and then you put this plate on, and you use the three small screws to hold that in, and that's going to hold it in place here. And then you're going to put bolts through this, and that's what's going to actually hold that whole assembly to the fiberglass here. Once I get it together, I'll bring you back in and show you. Alright, so that's what it looks like. So what we did was we took the bracket, bolted the main steering mechanism to the bracket with these three bolts. There's one here, and one here. And then we bolted the black bracket with three bolts here. There's going to be one right here, and there's one right here. And that's what actually holds it to the boat itself. So all right, I'll be right back with you. All right, so we got all the bolts in now. So now it's going to be time to put the steering wheel on. There's a little spot for the Allen, the key to go in there. This key here is going to sit right inside of here, and then you slide the wheel on. Pardon the beverage. Alright, give me 1 second. I'll be right back with you. Alright, this is the finished product. Steering wheel's on. Alright, so we're going to turn it to the left. Boat's going to turn left. I'm sorry about that. So they're turning it left, the boat turns left. Turn the wheel right. Boat turns right. It's got a 70 horsepower Johnson on it. Not bad. Any questions, let me know.